promo ang Chowking bukas sa 5-5. Ang buy 2 Halo-Halo Supreme and get 1 for free. Sino dito ang mga magbabarkada? Sino dito ang pumunta ng solo? Ayan, sino dito ang gusto ng selfie? I love it, I love it. Thank you so much for coming here sa Chowking Halo-Halo Land. And meron pa akong isang kanta. Okay na ba kumanta ng isa pa? Alright, here's my next song. Music please. Ano po natin, D-Grind. Thank you so much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, friends and family, let's give it up for Kim Chu! Batiin mo muna yung mga friends and family that are here at SM Mall of Asia. Yes, parang kailangan ko ng halo-halo kasi pinagpapawisan na talaga ako din. Hello, hello again sa lahat ng mga fans and supporters na nandito. Kim Chu Global, Chopang Kim Uy, Team Kim Chu, Kim Pao Universe. Maraming salamat. And to everyone who's spending their Saturday afternoon dito, maraming salamat. Pwede ba ako mag-promote? Nanonood ba kayo ng Linlang? Gusto niyo na bang sabununad si Juliana? Huwag naman. Pero weeknights po yan, Mondays to Fridays, 8:45 p.m. And sino dito nanonood ng What's Wrong? Please check the show! Thank you so much also for watching. New episodes po namin Monday to Wednesday po, 12 midnight. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much, Kim, for being with us here today. Not just as a Mati SM Mall of Asia, but our Chowking Halo-Halo. Of course, to my Chowking family, maraming salamat for this another successful Halo-Halo Supreme Halo-Halo Land. Thank you so much.
Of course, at talagang ultimate special na talaga yung araw nito because you are here with us today. And of course, habang nag-enjoy ang mga tao dito sa program natin, don't forget about our promo. Yes, buy 2, get 1 free Chowking Halo-Halo Supreme. You can find it at our Chowking Halo Halo Bar here at our Chowking Halo Halo Land. And we also have a 5-5 promo for tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow, buy 2, get 1 free nationwide po yan. Kaya pamalita yun sa mga kamag-anak nyo all over the Philippines.
That's
Tama ba?
right.
Tama ba?
Tama, we have 560 stores nationwide. So of course, I'm sure you will be able to find yourself to at least one of them to avail of our promo tomorrow. Ayan, I'm super excited yung mga fans nyo today. But I want to ask you, have you noticed our Sangkap Cube dito sa
Yes,
Expo?
grabe. Nung galing ako ng Cebu, meron din ganito. And ang ganda niya sa feed, sa Instagram, sa Facebook. Kaya kung gusto niyo mag-post dito sa loob ng Sangkap Cube, i-post niyo na, mag-photo op na kayo dyan. And don't forget to tag me and Chowking using the hashtag, ano ba?
Hashtag Chowking Halo Halo Land and hashtag Chowking Halo Halo Supreme.
Yeah.
Pero baka naman Kim, you want a picture now already habang wala
Yes,
pang
let's
tao.
do this.
I will join you for a photo also. Ayan, mag-have
Picture
our
tayo
camera
dito
and
sa-
video men. Here in our Sangkap Cube, you can experience the 13 Sangkap ng Chowking Halo Halo Supreme up close on the big screen. So ayan, this is Kim getting her shots and getting her videos. So mamaya, our dear friends and family, if you also want a photo or video just like Kim, head over to our Sangkap Cube after our program today. And once again, don't forget to use our hashtags, hashtag Chowking Halo Halo Supreme and hashtag Chowking Halo Halo Land. Everyone is taking this opportunity to capture our Sangkap Cube with our Sangkap Kimi in today's photos and videos. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Kim, join me again on stage, please. So, nagamit mo Kim na you experienced this in Cebu.
Yes, in Cebu. Bisaya mo ka, di ba?
Bisaya po mo.
I love it! We're Bisaya Rocks. Sino pa mga Bisaya dito?
Raise your hand if you're Bisaya!
Yes! I love it. Sino dito may gusto ng halo-halo? Kasi gagawa kami ni Pauline ng halo-halo.
That's right! Ito na yung next natin.
Ayan!